But you know what, so when I left out Jamaica, no time at all.
But you know what, so when I left out Jamaica, no time at all.
WOOOOI people! Welcome back to Cook and Vibe, man. Season 3, Cook and Vibe International. But you know what, so when I left out Jamaica, no time at all. So today, people, we are doing Jamaican patties. Yes, man! This one's been requested for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Big up our sponsors today, Port Royal Patties. If you can't be bothered to do the recipe, then these are the only people you should be buying patties off. Yeah? Trust me. Yeah, we got some vegetable, we got some salt fish, and we got the spicy beef, of course, which is my favorite. So you don't know today, people, we're gonna make our own patties. You get me? Don't know, big up Port Royal again. We're gonna taste their patties and give that a little review for the people that never see it before. You don't know, check them out. Their Instagram and everything is gonna be below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Cook and Vibe, Jamaican Patties, WOOOOI. So you don't know, we're gonna try the patties them now, you know? Port Royal spicy beef, you know, and basically in it, yeah, they've teamed up with the Encona, is the hot sauce, you know, so a little extra spice in there. And what they're known for, like, let me read the front of it for you. Spicy beef with Encona, original hot pepper sauce in a golden Kingston flaky crust. Now this is the problem when you're getting these patties in the packets and, you know, in the supermarket and stuff over here. The patties are a bit too smooth, and that can't run. That's not real patties. Patties in Jamaica, nice flaky crust. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking good. It's looking nice and flaky. Yeah, so. It's got the flake. These are bad. Honestly, I'm not gassing. This is the closest you're gonna get to a real Jamaican patty in Jamaica. This is the closest you're gonna get in a packet. I promise you that. Yeah? I can't tell you that my recipe is gonna be as good as this, but we're gonna try our thing for the people that wanna try it at home. You don't know, Cook and Vibe, Port Royal patties. I'm gonna finish my patty and then we'll get into the ingredients for today, people. WOOOOI people! You don't know, so today's ingredients for our Jamaican patties, first of all, we are gonna start with the pastry. Okay, so you're gonna need 2 cups of plain flour, yeah? Half a cup of butter. Some people use half a cup of shortening as well, but we can't get none of that. So we're just gonna use 1 cup of butter, yeah? 1/3 of a cup of water. We're gonna use a little bit of turmeric, some salt, and a little bit of curry powder. And that is for the pastry. Now for the filling, we are gonna use some minced beef. We're gonna use a little bit of beef and steak seasoning. Not everybody uses this, it's my little thing. A little bit of all-purpose, some breadcrumbs, some tomato ketchup, an onion, some dried thyme, and a Scotch bonnet. That is our ingredients for today, people. WOOOOI. WOOOOI, people! Alright, so first of all, you want to put your flour inside of the bowl with a little pinch of salt. Okay, we're going to put the butter in there. Right, what we're going to do as well, of the curry powder, we're going to put a little pinch curry powder in. Yeah. Let me just get in there again. little pinch of curry powder, and we're going to put a little pinch of turmeric in there, and then we're going to mix it up into this nice and crumbly. Yeah, zimmy. A lot of people just use turmeric, yeah, but we're going to use curry powder because it's got more flavour in it. You know what I'm saying? This is the real thing from Jamaica as well, so. Why? Next, people, we're gonna put some flour on your side. Make sure you're clean and nice on the side. The side's nice and clean even. You see me? And then we're just gonna roll this out flat, yeah? Gonna roll it out nice and flat. Put your oven on, preheat your oven. You see me? Why? Let's get rolling. Why? Once you've got them flattened out, yeah? I'm gonna make a shape with it. I'm using this bowl because it's perfectly round. I find it easier to just take a chunk off and then flatten it out. Get a bowl and you're gonna cut around that bowl so we've got a circle. Alright? Just like that. And then you're gonna repeat and do that with the rest of the dough. Why Jamaican patties, you don't know the things that man big up Port Royal. Why? And you should be having something looking like this. See, it's getting there, people, isn't it? It's getting there. Alright, so now we're gonna do the filling. Why? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. First of all, we're going to chop up the onion and the Scotch bonnet, yeah? We're going to add that to the frying pan with some butter. Why? So put your onions and the Scotch bonnet in, people, yeah? Fry that up until they're a little piece nice and soft, yeah? And then when you put your beef inside them, we're going to season the beef when it's in the pan, yeah? Why? Cook and vibe Jamaican patties. Put the beef in the pan with the onions and them, you know? Yeah, now we're gonna season up the beef. So, chuck some thyme in there. We're gonna put some all-purpose. We're gonna put a little bit of the beef and steak seasoning. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. And you know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna chuck in a little piece of hot pepper sauce just to boost it up, little piece. Why? Yeah, once that's all seasoned up nicely, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Yeah, add little piece of water, obviously once it's browned, and then just settle it, leave it, let it nice cookly, you know. Why? Cook nicely, and then we're gonna put it inside the pastry. Why, people? So our beef is cooked and ready. Yeah, and what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna scoop it into half of this. So we're just gonna that's a bit too much for in there. Take a little bit out. To about half. Yeah, and then we're going to fold it over like that and press it down. Yeah, I'm holding the camera and doing it at the same time because Connect 4 has been so busy. I thought I'd give him a little break. So don't complain on my camera skills today, people. Alright, why? So yeah, like I say, you'll fill up half of it. Yeah, turn it over. I'm going to show you that, and then we're going to put it in the oven 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Obviously, repeat. Why? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Why? So it should be looking something like that. You know what I'm saying? And what you want to do is just get your fork and just... You know what I'm saying? Around the outsides. Repeat that all the way around there. And then we're going to put it in the oven, yeah? Like I said, 15-20 minutes till golden brown. Why? Jamaican patties. Why? Not bad, not bad. Now what you want to do is you want to brush them with an egg before you put them in the oven, yeah? But I'm not going to lie, they're not looking bad. Cook and Vibe Jamaican beef patties. They've all been brushed with the egg now. We're going to put them in the oven. Say 200. You're going to use 200, you know what I mean? 15-20 minutes until they're nice and golden and brown, you know what I mean? Yeah man! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Cook and Vibe International, but you know say we not left out Jamaica no time at all. Jamaican patties, beef. And there we have it, why our homemade Jamaican patties. Big up Port Royal, you don't know these are the real deal. Yeah, if you want to taste a proper Jamaican patty in England, these are the real deal. These are our ones, we're gonna try these. You can make these at home, you know what I'm saying? So let's taste the Cook and Vibe patty. Well, I done well with it, people. Come on, can I get some likes? Can I get some likes, please? Because I think I deserve it. I actually think I deserve it today. Why? Why? And that was Cook and Vibe today, people, man. You get me? Jamaican patties, I can't thank Port Royal enough so I can eat a proper good patty in England when I'm on the go. Yeah? Now it's time to taste our one. Let me go for this one right here. Here we go. Mmm! Good, you know. I done well today. Oh my days. Mmm. Mmm. Can I get a little clap? That was really nice. I'm gonna be completely honest. Really, really nice. Not quite as good as Port Royal. Really nice. You can do this at home, people. It was Cook and Vibe Jamaican patties. And next week we've got something completely different for you. Yeah? Big up the grabber hanging up, cause you know anything. You see? Why people, have a blessed week. Have a blessed Sunday.